Management system. Quality management system ISO 9001:2015 standard. Now we are talking about clause number 8.2. 8.2. 8.2.1 customer communication. 8.2.2 determining the requirement related to product and services. 8.2.3 review of the requirement related to product and services. 8.2.4 changes to requirements for product and services. Customer communication. 8.2.1. Here we just take one example, like now here communication with customer shall, again here shall include providing the information related to products, which product we are delivering, that we must tell to the customer. Handling inquiries, contactor order and including changes. Obtaining customer feedback, whether we are taking customer feedback or not for the product and services, including customer complaints. Customer complaint also a customer feedback, where he tells us what is the problem in the product and how we improve. And sometimes they ask the 8D reports for this. Handling or controlling customer property. What the customer property we have? These are some basic requirements. The customer property. Sometimes customer gives us some of the tools, some of the testing equipment, some of the means standard, some of the reference standard, some of the specifications which they give us, or some of the samples. These are considered as the customer property. Establishing a specific requirement for contingency action where relevant, whether we have this or not. Customer communication, this directly affects the marketing part. Means here marketing person role in this section. Now 8.2.2. 8.2.2 determining the requirements for related to product and services. Here 8.2.2 basically talks about the purchasing part, how we consider the raw material and purchasing it, product and services. Like just take a clause example, one of the clause example. When determining the requirement for the product and services offered to the customer, organization shall ensure requirements. Again here shall ensure requirements for the product and services are defined, including any applicable statutory and regulatory requirements. What we are delivering to the customer, products and services, what is the requirement? What is the transportation requirement? What is the shipping requirement? What is the excise duty or any inspection requirement? Those considered necessary by the organization, that should be identified and take under consideration. Organization can meet the claims for the product and services it offers. So this we have to decide and determine. Now review the requirements related to the product and services. Review the requirements. Organization shall, again here shall, ensure that it has the ability to meet the requirements for product and services to be offered to the customer. Whatever we are providing to the customer, we should have ability to provide them. Somehow if we don't have a stock and we are committing to the customer that we will provide this amount by this date, and we are not maintaining that, means we are giving a false communication. But this is wrong actually. So review the requirements. Whatever the requirements we are giving him, or whatever the requirement customer gives us, we should review once, and then after that, like the contract or the other requirement differing from the previously expressed. Now, clause number 8.2.4, changes to requirement for product and services. Now, here changes, the organization shall ensure, again here shall ensure the relevant documented information, and documented information here comes, it means we have to maintain a document, like it could be a 3M change or anything amendment. The relevant person are made aware about this, the requirement. We have we change the process, we change the machine speed, we change any other concentration or other things, whether we, the person who is available working on the machine, he is really known about these changes. So this clause totally talks about the changes to the requirements. Whenever we are doing any changes, we should aware the relevant person. So this totally talks about the clause number 2 for the customer communication, determining product requirement, review the requirements and changes. So this is the clause number 8.2. Now clause number 8.3 we will cover in the next video. Thank you.